So to begin round 8, we're going to begin with a slip stitch into the top of the next front post double crochet. So the next front post double crochet is here, the top of it is here. At the top, we're going to do a slip stitch. We're going to slip stitch into the next 2 single crochet, 1, 2, and then we're also going to slip stitch into the next chain 2 space, like this. Now we're going to chain 1 and do a single crochet in the same chain 2 space, like that. Now we will chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to do a front post double crochet decrease around the next 2 front post double crochet. So the next 2 front post double crochet is this one here, and this one here. So we're going to do it around it, not at the top, not there, but around it like normal. So yarn over, insert your hook around the first front post double crochet, pull loop through, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook around the next front post double crochet, pull loop through, yarn over, pull through 2. 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And it creates this, the top of the triangle. Now you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and you're going to do a single crochet into the next chain 2 space. You're going to skip all these single crochets, work directly to the chain 2 space, a single crochet. Now you're going to chain 3, and you're going to repeat the next here, the next front post double crochet, so skip the next single crochets. In the next 2 front post double crochets, we're going to do a front post double crochet decrease once again around the next 2 front post double crochets. Chain 3 and single crochet into the next chain 2 space, like that. So that's the pattern all the way around. After we do our single crochet in the chain 2 space, we're going to chain 3 and then do a front post double crochet decrease around the next 2 front post double crochets, this one here and this one here. And then we're going to chain 3 and do a single crochet in the next chain 2 space. Then we're going to chain 3 and do our next front post double crochet decrease around the next 2 front post double crochets. And this is what it looks like. So that's the pattern all the way around. I will meet you at the end of this round. So here we are at the end of round 8. I've done my chain 3 and 2 connected. I'm going to do a slip stitch into the beginning single crochet of the round. So the beginning single crochet is here, a slip stitch to connect. Like that, and this is what my piece looks like at the end of this round. So let's begin round 9. For round 9, we're going to begin with a chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this counts as our first double crochet and our chain 3 space, and then we're going to double crochet in the same stitch. So we're going to double crochet into the single crochet from the beginning that we did our slip stitch into. That single crochet, we're going to do a double crochet into there, like this. Now we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and we're going to single crochet in the next chain 3 space. Then we're going to chain 1, and we're going to do a front post single crochet around the next front post double crochet decrease. So don't do it in the top here, do not. We're going to do it around it. So like how we've done previously around the posts. So you're going to insert your hook around it, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you're going to do a picot. A picot is chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to slip stitch around the same front post double crochet decrease. So around it again, a slip stitch. Like that. Now we're going to chain 1. And now we're going to do 2 single crochet in the next chain 3 space. So here's the next chain 3 space. 2 single crochet, 1, 2, we're going to do a single crochet in the next single crochet, and then we're going to do 2 single crochet in the next chain 3 space, 1, 2, like this, and now we're going to chain 1 and do a front post single crochet around the next front post double crochet decrease once again, followed by a picot, so chain 3 and a slip stitch around the same front post double crochet decrease to complete your picot. Now you're going to chain 1, 2 single crochet in the next chain 3 space, 1, 2. We're going to do a single crochet around the next single crochet, and then 2 single crochet in the next chain 3 space, 1, 2, like this, and then we're going to chain 1 and do a front post single crochet around the next front post double crochet decrease, followed by a picot, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch around the front post double crochet decrease to complete your picot. Like that. Now you're going to chain 1. So we have this so far, 1, 2, 3 picots. We did our chain 1, and now we're going to single crochet in the next chain 3 space. So do 1 single crochet in the next chain 3 space, and then you're going to chain 2 and do a double crochet, 1, 2, do a double crochet, chain 3, double crochet, and the next single crochet. So here's our next single crochet. We're going to do a double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and a double crochet, all in the same single crochet. So it creates this. Now you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and you will single crochet in the next chain 3 space, like this. Now we will chain 1 and after we chain 1, we'll do a front post single crochet around the next front post double crochet decrease, like that. Then we will do a picot, followed by chain 1, and then we will do 2 single crochet in the next chain 3 space, 1, 2, followed by 1 single crochet in the next single crochet, followed by 2 single crochet in the next chain 3 space, 1, 2, and then we will do a chain 1 and a front post single crochet around the next front post double crochet decrease, a picot, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and then 2 single crochet around the next chain 3 space, 1 single crochet in the next single crochet, 2 single crochet in the next chain 3 space, and a chain 1. Then we will do a single crochet, front post single crochet around the next front post double crochet decrease, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, to complete our picot, slip stitch into around the front post double crochet decrease again. Then we will chain 1, and then we will single crochet in the next chain 3 space, do 1 single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 2, 1, 2. So to show you what we have so far, we've done our beginning here, we've done 3 picots, another one here, 3 picots, we're going to make another loop here. Okay, so let's continue the rest of the half. I'm going to do it with you. After we do our chain 2, we're going to double crochet, chain 3, double crochet, all into the next single crochet stitch. Double crochet, chain 3, double crochet, all into the same stitch, followed by chain 2, 1, 2, and then we're going to do 1 single crochet in the next chain 3 space, like that. Now we will chain 1, front post single crochet around the next front post double crochet decrease, do a picot, so chain 3, slip stitch around the same front post double crochet decrease, chain 1, 2 single crochet in the next chain 3 space, 1 single crochet in the next single crochet, 2 single crochet in the next chain 3 space, 1, 2. Now we will chain 1, front post single crochet around the next front post double crochet decrease, complete a picot, 1, 2, 3, and then a slip stitch. Then we will chain 1 and do 2 single crochet in the next chain 3 space, 1 single crochet in the next single crochet, 2 single crochet in the next chain 3 space. We have to do one more picot. We will chain 1, front post single, we will do a front post single crochet around the next front post double crochet decrease, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then a slip stitch around the same front post double crochet decrease, followed by chain 1. After we've done our 1, 2, 3 picots, we will do, and we've done our chain 1, we will single crochet into the next chain 3 space. Then we will chain 2 and do a double crochet, chain 3, double crochet, all in the next single crochet. So double crochet, chain 3, double crochet, all in the next single crochet, like that. Then we will chain 2 and do 1 single crochet in the next chain 3 space. Then we will chain 1, and we will do a front post single crochet around the next front post double crochet, followed by a picot, chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 3 space. We will do that once again. So 2 single crochet in the next chain 3 space, 1, 2, 1 single crochet in the next single crochet, 2 single crochet in the next chain 3 space, 1, 2. After we do our 2 single crochet in the chain 3 space, we will chain 1 and we will do a front post single crochet around the next front post double crochet decrease. Then we will do a picot, so chain 3, do a slip stitch around the same front post double crochet decrease, chain 1, single crochet, do 2 single crochet in the next chain 3 space, 1 single crochet in the next single crochet, 2 single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 1, front post single crochet around the next front post double crochet decrease, chain 3, slip stitch around the same front post double crochet decrease to finish your picot, chain 1. After we do our chain 1, we will single crochet in the next chain 3 space. After we do our single crochet in the chain 3 space, we will chain 2 and we will do a slip stitch into the third chain of the chain 6. So here's our chain 6, the third chain from chain 6, starting at the bottom, 1, 2, 3. Here's the third chain, a slip stitch to connect, and this is what our piece looks like at the end of this round. So you know you've done it correctly if you have this part here, 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, and 1, 2, 3 picots in between. Okay? So here we are for round 10. To begin round 10, we will slip stitch in the next chain 3 space. So we have chain 3 space here, we will slip stitch into there. And then we will chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we will do 2 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet in the same space. So 2 double crochet in the same chain 3 space. So 1, 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 3 double crochet in the same space once again. 1, 2, 3, like that. Now you do 2 double crochet in the next chain 2 space, or next chain 2 spaces here. We will do 2 double crochet into there. 1, 2, like this. And now we will chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after we chain 5, we will skip the next 2 single crochet. So we have 1 single crochet, our picot, and then 5 single crochet here. We will skip the next 2 single crochets. So the first single crochet here, we will skip the picot, we will skip the next single crochet here. We will work in the next 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In out of the 5 single crochets, single crochet 2, 3, and 4, we will do 1 single crochet in each of those. So 1 single crochet in there, 1 single crochet in there, and 1 single crochet in there. So it's the middle ones of the 5. So we skip the first one, skip the picot, skip the second one, do 1 single crochet in the next 3. Now we would chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the next 2 single crochet, so we'll skip the first single crochet here, skip the picot, skip the next single crochet here, work 1 single crochet in the next 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and then you have 1 single crochet left over, and then your picot. After we do our 3 single crochet, we will chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. And then we'll do 2 double crochet in the next chain 2 space. So our chain 2 space is here. We would chain 2, chain 3, chain 2. In the first chain 2, we will do 2 double crochet. 1, 2, followed by 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet in the next chain 3 space. So in this chain 3 space here, we will do 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 3 double crochet in the same chain 3 space again. 1, 2, 3, like this, followed by 2 double crochet in the next chain 2 space. So here's our next chain 2 space, 2 double crochet into there. 1, 2, like that. Then we will chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will skip the next 2 single crochet. The first one here, the picot, the second one here, and do 1 single crochet in the next 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. You will have 1 single crochet left over, your picot, and then the next part here. We will chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the pattern for this round. We are starting to make it into a square now. So after we do our chain 5, we have 1 single crochet or picot, 1 single crochet. We will skip those. We will work 1 single crochet in the next 3 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3 in the middle here, 1 single crochet in each like we've done here. Then we will chain 5, and then we have our single crochet, a picot, and this part here. We will skip all that. We will work 2 double crochet in the next chain 2 space, 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet in the next chain 3 space, 2 double crochet in the next chain 2 space, chain 5, skip the next single crochet, skip the picot, skip the next single crochet, and work 1 single crochet in the next 3 single crochet in the middle here like we've done previously. And then we're going to repeat chain 5, skip the next single crochet, skip the picot, skip the next single crochet, work 1 single crochet in the next 3 single crochet here. Then you will chain 5, skip the last single crochet, skip the picot, and then you're back here again where you do your double crochets and your chain space in there. Okay, so that's the pattern all the way around. I will meet you at the end of this round.